Hello, hi everyone. I am your Burjiso. Now I am going to share with you something about zero conditional sentences. Dear guys, please see here. Zero conditional sentences in English can also be called real conditional sentences, or some people would like to call it sure conditional sentences. Real conditional sentences or sure conditional sentences, you can call them. For example, if it rains, the ground becomes wet. See here. Here you know that conditional sentences consists of two clauses. One is conditional clause and the main clause. Conditional clause and the main clause. Conditional clause may begin with either if or when. Conditional clause begins either with if or when. This is first thing. So, this is called conditional sentence or conditional clause. A clause which begins with if or when is called conditional clause, and a clause which begins with subject is known as main clause. Okay, and as far as zero conditional sentence is concerned, please remember both the clauses will be in simple present tense. Okay, if it rains indicates simple present tense. Both the sentences will be in simple present tense. Simple present tense plus simple present tense. The idea is whenever we come across zero conditional sentences, it begins with if or when, and both the sentences will be in simple present tense. Simple present tense structure, you know it. Subject will be followed by either base form or yes form. Base form or yes form. Again here subject plus base form or yes form. Okay, this is one thing we have to keep in mind. Second thing, conditional clause and main clause we see in zero conditional sentences or in any kind of conditional sentences. Here, conditional clause has come first and main clause has come the next. You can change the order like this. Main clause you can come first, you can bring it first, and conditional clause you can take the next. For example, the ground becomes wet. The ground becomes wet if it rains. See here, the ground is singular here, so yes form of the main verb is used. In conditional sentence, it is singular, so yes form is used. Both are same. Next, You can use even the sentence with when. For example, when it rains, comma, the ground becomes wet. And again, you can reverse the sentence. You can bring the main clause first and conditional clause the next. How? The ground becomes wet when it rains. Here, the subject of both the sentences are singular, so yes form is used. And if the subject is plural, I'll give you an example. If you drop the eggs, they break. This is universal truth, scientific truth. If you drop the egg, it breaks. If you drop the eggs, they break. They break. Got it? Or the eggs break. The eggs break. The eggs break. The eggs break if you drop. The eggs break if you drop. Or when you what? When you drop the eggs. When you drop the eggs, what will happen? They break. Or the eggs break when you drop them. I hope this point is clear. Dear students, you came to know that what is zero conditional sentence? Zero conditional sentences are called real conditional sentence or sure conditional sentence. And zero conditional sentence may begin with if or when, and both the clauses will be in simple present tense. And you can write conditional sentence first and main clause next, or you can write main clause first and conditional clause next. So with this, I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. If this video has helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for all my videos. With this, I would like to thank you once again, and with one more very interesting video. See you next time. Till then, bye.